I've been vacuuming all day long. It feels like this house is so big. Maybe I should turn it off for a minute. I'm so thirsty, but I'm not done yet. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm so thirsty. I wish I had something to drink. Maybe I'll finish the living room and then I'm gonna go and get something to drink. I'm so tired. Hey, Mirabel. Hi, Asha. Oh, what's going on? I'm just tired and super thirsty. Well, I'm so happy that you're thirsty. What? Why are you happy? Because I have some surprises. Hold on tight. They're coming through. Hey, can you move the vacuum? Of course, I hate this vacuum. Go away. All right, I'm ready. All right, hold on tight. Here they come. Whee! What? That's awesome. Give me something to drink. Yes, and that's not all. Wait a minute. Whee! What? That's cool. And there's one more. Here we go, the last one. Whee! Yeah, I think this is what you need. Yeah, I could definitely use a bubble tea. I could use some soda and an espresso to get some power and finish vacuuming. You are so awesome. So what are you waiting for? Let's unbox them. So which one should we do first? Tell me. Hit the like button if you want to do the soda machine. Hit the like button if you want me to do the bubble tea. Hit the like button if you want me to do the espresso. Oh, I wish I could do them all at once. But let's start with the soda machine. I think this is what Mirabel needs, and she needs it now. Yeah, let's go. So let's take a quick look at the soda machine. So it comes with the juice, with the ice, cups, and straws. So let's get going, guys. What are we waiting for? This is so awesome. I wonder what kind of soda we'll get. I'm not sure. Oh, I just love these. They're so much fun. And there we are. Okay, and we're ready to open it. Whoa, what color do you think we got? We got blue. I know it also comes in a red color. How cute is this, guys? So this is where we're gonna pour the juice, and this is where we're gonna put the ice. How awesome is that? And it has a stand. Excellent. Just like a real soda machine. How awesome is that? Okay, so let's see. What do we have in here? So we have the cup holder. How cute is this? Then we have our cups and lids and the straws. Oh, I cannot wait to make a delicious soda, guys. It looks like we got everything we need. All right, now we have the top to this machine right here. But we can close it because we need the stuff. We need to make an orange soda. Oh, look at this. This is fresh, made fresh. Delicious. And let's see, what do we have in here? I think we have the ice and our juice. Yay, look at this, guys. Orange soda. Sunfizz. Yum. And it says on the bottle, do not eat it. All right, we're not, but the girls can. We also have some ice. Look how real this looks, guys. All right. First, we're going to put the ice in the soda machine, just like this. Woohoo! Awesome. Now we need our syrup, and we're just going to put it in here. Wow, look how nice. How awesome. Looks delicious. And I think we have enough to make 2 sodas. So let's put the top on our machine and let's get some ice. 1. Oh, how cute. Look at this, guys. Let's get more. 2 and 3. I think 3 and 4. Let's get one more. That's it. Now I'm going to put some in this one. Oh, it looks like our ice got stuck. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this one has a lot. Maybe we should put some in this one. Perfect. Now let's get some orange juice, orange soda. Wow, you guys, it looks amazing. Wow, look at this. It looks so good, so delicious. Oh, and let's get some more. Okay. Excellent. Wee, yummy orange soda. Delicious. Wow, I think we got enough. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think so. So now we're gonna put the top just like that, and on the other one. Now let's put our straws in our delicious soda. Yay! Okay, we got one and we got two. All right, girls, are you ready to have some? Oh, I'm so thirsty. This is delicious. Oh, thank you. Would you like some? Yes, please. Thank you. This is delicious. Thank you. We're gonna put these on the side and we're gonna open another one. Let's do our boba. This looks delicious. Wow, so it comes with the boba machine, it comes with the tea, comes with the boba and ice, cups and straws. So let's get going, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So what does it say? It says milk tea, happy sun farms. I love it. So let's see, guys, how do we put this together? I think it comes like this, and then we are going to put this over here. There we go. And then this one goes over here. Perfect. And look at that. We got our machine set up, and these are some cute stickers that we can put on the lid of the cups. So now let's get our stuff out and see what do we have. We have some ice in this one, right? Come on, come on, come on. We want to see, oh wow, we've got some bobas. How cute is that? Yum, yum. We got our coasters and we got the tea. Good stuff. I bet it's delicious. And we got the ice. Awesome. So now, let's see what else we have in here. There are cups and lids and straws. Oh, how awesome is that? Okay, perfect. Look at this, guys. This looks delicious. Okay, what are we waiting for? First, we've got to put some ice and boba. Oh, hold on one second. Let's put our tea, our milk tea in here first. And then, oh, it's so pink and so pretty. I love it. Awesome. Oh, good. Excellent. There's lots of it, so we're going to save some for later. We're going to put the top on this. Perfect. Now, let's put some ice and boba on our cups. Let's put some boba. Oh, they're so cute, guys. So cute. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Lots of bobas in this tea. And some ice. We need some ice. And then, wait a minute. We gotta put some ice in this one. And some ice in this one. How awesome is that? Cool. Now I'm gonna shake them up so they're like mixed up a little bit. Whee! Awesome. Look how cute. This one didn't mix so well. Okay, perfect. Now let's get our milk tea. So yummalicious. And let's get some in this one. So delicious. And it looks amazing. Amazing. So pink and so yummy. Wow, you guys. Awesome. I think I need a little bit more in this one. I'm not sure about this one, but this one definitely. So I'm gonna put a tiny little bit more. Awesome. Maybe a little bit more in this one too. I think that's about it. Perfect. So now, guys, we're gonna put our tops on these. There we are. Perfect. Look how cute. And then I need another one. Okay, let's put the top on this one too. Perfect. Wow, guys. Awesome. Okay. Now we just need some straws and the girls can have some boba tea. How cute are these, guys? Oh, wow. Look how adorable. All right, girls, let's have some boba tea. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So delicious. Oh, wow, you guys. This looks amazing. We are going to put our boba tea on the side too. Look how awesome this looks. Oh, wow. Awesome, just like that. Now, guys, let's have some espresso so we get some energy to finish vacuuming the house. What a great idea. I wonder what color we're gonna get. I really want the pink one. I wonder if I'm gonna get the pink espresso machine. But let's see. Do you think I got the pink or the green one? Let's see. Oh, I got the green one. And it's absolutely adorable. So cute. And this one actually comes in one piece, so you don't need to assemble it. Oh, how cute is this? What? So adorable. All right, I guess this is where we're gonna put our coffee and milk. Okay, and let's see, what do we have? So, even this one comes with ice? No, I don't think so. Oh, this one comes with whipped cream. How delicious. It comes with 2 spoons. How cute are these? Look at these, guys. And some, of course, some coffee. How awesome is that? Look at this, guys. Rise and shine coffee. Delicious. And what else do we have in here? Let's see. I bet we have 2 cups. Yes, and they're so tiny and so cute. And we got some plates. Oh, wow. This is so cute. I might have my coffee in this tomorrow. It wouldn't be enough for me. No. All right, guys. So now, let's see. How do we do this? Oh, we're so ready to have some coffee. All right. I'm going to make it. So first, I'm going to put the coffee in the machine. Wow. All right, I think we have enough. And let's do this. And let's wait for our coffee to fill the cup. So cute. I think we have enough coffee in this one too. All right, our coffee needs a whipped cream now. And look at this, guys. Wow, so cute. We are going to get our whipped cream and put it on top. So cute. Oh, so adorable. And the other one. Wow. How nice. Just like that on the top. Look how adorable this is. And the girls are ready to have some coffee. There we are. Delicious. Oh, wow, guys. This is so much fun. I can have my coffee now. So yummy. And I might have some coffee too. Of course. So delicious, guys. Well, guys, this was all so amazing and so delicious. Now I better get back to vacuuming so my mom doesn't get upset with me. I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I love you guys. Bye. Oh, look at me. I'm so fast. I can do this so fast. I'm so fast. What's going on, Mirabel? Turn off the vacuum. What's wrong with you? Don't ever drink coffee. Okay, I would never drink coffee. What's going on? I get it. I gotta vacuum. Go move. What's wrong with you? Oh, I had too much coffee and now I have so much energy. I don't know what to do. Oh, okay. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.